Today, you will learn how to place text box over image in Word in seconds. First, insert your image into the document. Click on the image to select it, then click the small Layout Options icon that appears next to it. From the options, choose Behind Text. This keeps your document layout in place and makes it easier to position text over the image. Next, go to the Insert tab and click Text Box. Choose Simple Text Box from the menu. A text box will appear on the page, and you can immediately type the text you want. Now, click and drag the text box over your image and place it wherever you like. You'll notice the text box has a white background and a border around it. To remove them, click the border of the text box, then go to the Format tab. Click Shape Fill and choose No Fill. After that, click Shape Outline and choose No Outline. Your text box is now transparent and only the text is visible on top of the image. You can move it around anytime to get the perfect position. That's it. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.